Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create password protected file in Google Drive. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to of course open our browser and then go here into our Google Drive. And then once you're now here, we're just going to upload our file. And then let's say for example that this is the file that we want to share. So what we're going to do next is to go here on the share icon. So click on that. And then once you're now here, just go into the general access and then click this one right here. And then just make sure that you click this as anyone with the link. After that, in this part, make sure that they are a viewer, not an editor. So click on viewer right there and then click on done. After doing so, what we're going to do next is to go here on the upper right corner of the screen and then click this icon, which is the Google Apps. And then in this part, just scroll down and then look for Forms. So once you see it, just click on that. And then after that, you will be redirected into this part. Now, what we're going to do next right here is to just click blank form. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to use Google Form as a form of security for our file. So in this part, this is the title. So we're going to name this password right there. And then let's go here on the settings and then make sure to make this as a quiz. And then after that, in this part, just scroll down and then look for responses. Make sure that you click limit to one response and then go here on the presentation. And then for the confirmation message, just click on edit. And then after that, just say that here is your file. And then just paste the link of your file right here. So I'm going to copy the file. And then I'm going to paste it right here. After that, I just click on save. And then let's go back right here on the questions. And then on the untitled question, we're going to put right here, what is the password? Of course, you can put whatever you like right here, but I will just put this. Once you do that, just click this one right here and then click on response validation. In this part on the number, we're going to click on that and then we're going to click on text and then just leave this as it is. And then on the text, just put your password. So let's say, for example, that this is our password. And then if ever they put the wrong password, we're going to type try again. And then after that, on the answer key, just click this and then put your password once again and then click on done. And then if you want to try it, just click here the publish button and then just copy the link and then make sure that it is available to anyone. After that, just open an incognito tab and then paste the link on the search bar and then click on enter. After that, if they put, let's say for example, hi, as you can see, there is a try again warning because it is wrong. So if you put 123 right here, which is our password, as you can see, they can submit it. So once they click submit, they will now have access to your link. So that is basically it, and that is how easy it is.